For undeniable strength combined with timeless elegance, look no further than Fortress FE26 Iron Railing. Planning your project is as clear-cut as these 3 steps. FE26 posts come in lean 2x2 or 3x3 inch dimensions for a solid railing that won't obstruct your view. Posts with pre-installed brackets at the standard levels of 36 and 42 inches high are also offered to make installation even quicker. These ready-made posts are available in corner, line, or end post setup. If you're installing on staircases, use taller posts to allow the stair panel to rack to the correct angle. These posts will be affixed to the surface and substructure of your deck with 4 screws through the welded base plate. Level FE26 panels come in 6, 8, and 10-foot lengths, while adjustable stair panels are offered in 6 and 8-foot lengths. These panels are designed in nominal lengths for symmetrical baluster spacing. Review the product specifications to ensure that you choose the correct size for your section. Panels may be cut or trimmed as needed, but please coat any cut ends with Fortress touch-up paint to keep them protected. The universal rail bracket blends seamlessly into the posts for a strong connection. Do you have angled runs or stairways? Secure the FE26 angle adapter onto the bracket to achieve any angle from 0 to 45 degrees in an instant, horizontal or vertical. All Fortress brackets and adapters are sold in 4 packs to accompany each section of railing. The FE26 railing collection, along with a myriad of accessories, is in stock and ready for you right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Travis. I'm one of the content specialists here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316, or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.